Very good morning to all of you. Am I audible to all of you? Please just
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good
Yes, sir.
morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
okay. So, first of all, very good morning. I'll be taking the entrepreneurship part from this day. So, if I talk about what is entrepreneurship, first of all, you tell me what you have learned in entrepreneurship and what are your expectations from this subject. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
please.
like entrepreneurship like जब ना आप स्टार्ट करते हो अपना न्यू बिजनेस लाइक आपको उसके बारे में नॉलेज हो या आप एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहो उस चीज के लिए तो लाइक स्टार्टिंग ऑफ योर न्यू न्यू बिजनेस लाइक थिंग लाइक दैट.
Okay. Can you just tell me, is there any difference between businessman and entrepreneur?
यस सर लाइक बिजनेसमैन लाइक एक एग्जांपल होता है ना लाइक बिजनेसमैन एक लिमिट तक सोचता है और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप लाइक अपने एंटरप्रेन्योर अपने खुद के वो करता है क्रिएटिविटीज वगैरह करता
Okay. So can I tell that Mukesh Ambani is a businessman and an entrepreneur?
है. बिजनेसमैन
See,
एंटरप्रेन्योर
not an issue. Don't feel hesitated. Just it is just
एंटरप्रेन्योर.
a little bit confusion. That is, see, a businessman can acquire the business from the parents or from the family members. Okay.
Exactly, sir.
Okay.
So,
If
sir,
anybody wants to answer in between that, they can raise the hands and I just allow them to answer. Jyoti, Jyotir,
Jyotirman, sir.
so yes. If you want to answer anything, then you can tell, please.
Yes, sir. Mukesh Ambani, in terms of Reliance and all, Mukesh Ambani is businessman, but in terms of CEO, Mukesh Ambani is an like entrepreneur, right?
Excellent, beta. And what is the difference between that? Like how we can understand in a layman concept that what you are saying that absolutely correct. But can you just explain it further?
Sure, sir.
Hmm.
Uh, Basically, uh, when like we call a businessman, the business should be not like the business would be a traditional business or any business that he like take got from their parents or anything. But when
Yeah.
an entrepreneur starts a business or anything, entrepreneur should be like creative and he should be solving a problem or short like that.
Oh, that is very good. See, yes. Jyotirmoy Saha has correctly addressed the thing that is, see, when you are acquire the business from your parents or you are just running the business, then you will consider it as a businessman. But when you are taking an innovative idea and you're starting a new business or at your own risk, that is what you called entrepreneur. See, in a lot of things in microeconomics, you all also have studied about that. There are four factors, that is land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
So in entrepreneur will take the profit because he has taken the risk, right? Now, just to
Right.
brief you, it is just an introductory class. I just read out few things regarding entrepreneurship. So just please listen it a little bit sincerely because I'm just connected through my phone. Okay. Entrepreneurship is the process of designing, launching, and running a new business, which is often initially a small business. And if I further explain it more, then entrepreneurship has been described as the capacity and willingness to develop, organize, and manage a business venture along with any of its risks in order to make a profit. The people who create these businesses are called entrepreneurs. See, now if I talk about the what are the risk involved, that is obviously we need capital to start a business, right? So in that process, a lot of people have an idea to start a business, but they don't know how to. They don't have the proper funds. So for that, what they need? Tell me, from where they get the investment? Anybody?
So there is some venture capitalist, angel investor who can help them to get the funding and all. But I don't
Yes.
think, sir, every time we need a funding or we need a proper capital for doing a business in this scenario, in today's scenario.
that is a good point to address. But the thing is, if you want to start a business which needs a huge capital, for example, just take an example of an urban. There are a lot of apps available on the internet, right? On your
Right.
Play stores. One of them is Urban Clap, right? Now, if I just take that example that you are starting a similar kind of app, like what are the costs involved in that? Like first of all, you have to address the correct people, like barbers, so that they can go. I'm just taking the one type of facility. Okay, there are a lot of facility available on that platform, like car washing, home cleaning, etc., etc. I'm just taking an example of haircut. Okay, so initially there is a lot of advertisement regarding that they are providing a haircut at your place, at your doorstep, with full of hygiene, right? So
Right.
in that case, you have first have to address the correct barbers that can be that can have well skilled, because they will present the face of your company first of all, and all the equipments they carry with them you have to provide them. So if you are operating in different states, in different there's your diversity is huge, then you need capital. See, yes, can you just tell me first of all, just I'm stopping here and just asking Jyotir Saha that can you just tell me an example that where you don't need a huge investment that you are saying previously?
No, sir, please repeat the question, sir.
See, you are saying now that you don't need much every time. You don't need an angel investor or venture capitals to invest in your business. You can start your business. So can you just give me a few examples regarding that?
Uh, like your question is, the venture capitalists and angel investors, how to like use them, or how to uh, like join the
Can you
how
try?
to join my company or startup, right?
No, I'm just saying that you're saying that in this scenario, in this present scenario, you don't need that capital.
Okay, okay, okay.
Don't need the capital. So can you just address any new business startups that you have observed that you don't need a much capital?
See, sir, I am from engineering background, so like from last 4 years, I am like learning the technical things, which is like in which I hope in future the learnings can help me to build some apps. Then in terms of application development or application based startup, the huge costing is development costing, right, sir?
Right. See,
Then if I
okay, just complete yourself. Yes, yes.
if I can develop the app myself, then I don't have a huge burden. And sir, one more thing, from second year, I am working on my own startup. It is got registered, and I have my 4 or 5 apps in market. So I have a proper experience. Without huge capital, I already have started my business, and it is running smoothly in from 3 years.
Okay. So first of all, I congratulate your efforts, and and the secondary, beta, when you want to expand it, right? So
Yes.
right now you don't need much capital because yes, you are working at your own place with few people. But tell me the scenario after 5 years when you think that your the initiative which you have taken or with the innovation which you have done, you want to expand that because ultimately you want to earn more money, more profit from that, the effort which you have put in that particular apps, right?
Right,
Right
sir.
now it is working very smoothly, but can you just tell me after 5 years how what are your plans regarding that the software which you have produced?
Sir, I would like to
Fine.
approach.
It is a first class that we can discuss it and then we can include others as well. Others, please feel free to share your experiences regarding entrepreneurship. It's a very interesting class and it is a very, it should be very, communicable class. So please feel free to communicate your advices, your views regarding any topic. Okay. So please, Jyotirmoy Saha, please continue. Just tell me.
Uh,
I've
Sir,
asked
I
you
would
that
like
after
to
5 years,
approach.
I just please repeat the question that after
Uh,
5 years, what do you think that how you're going to expand your innovation? First of all, tell
uh,
me what kind of innovation. Just give me an example, okay? One example, like one app. that you are using, that you have
Achha,
invented?
achha. Okay, sir. I have developed an app which is world's lightest mobile web browser, uh,
Okay.
in only 40 kilobytes. It's
Okay.
available right now in Play Store, and
Okay.
we have more apps in Play Store. We have our own three more apps. Sir, in next 5 years, I would like to approach some capital, some angel investor or venture capitalist, where I can got some seed, not a seed funding, because I have already my own.
Understood. Yes.
I raised my funding, like bootstrapped, I guess. Then I will approach some investor to have some series fundings,
Hmm.
and then I will expand my team initially. Then I will expand my business as well.
Yes, that's what I'm saying, Jyotirmoy. But after 5 years, when you want to expand, then you need angel investors. That's why I
Yes,
just addressed previously. Yes, that is a very good initiative that you have taken, that you have invented a new app. But see, commercialization of the app and the reach out of that app is very important. See, there are a lot of good apps on the Play Store available and created by the Indian students or maybe Indian people, but they are not reached to the large audience due to they don't have a proper commercialization and proper funding. Are you able to
right,
understand? See,
right, sir.
if I talk about Urban Clap, they have a huge fund. They have invested a huge fund on advertisement. That if I am sitting in front of a TV, see, a lot of people don't use Play Store a lot, right? In India, still we don't have that much access to internet, right? Or and smartphones. But after seeing the advertisement, it will be very curious because it is a pandemic situation now. If I want a haircut, and if somebody is giving me a haircut at my doorstep with a very ease, then I should be aware of them. To increase that awareness, I need funds. So this is one kind of expenses. Okay, try to understand that. And if I talk about further that if you want to employ more human resource in your organization, right now, how many people are working with you?
Right now, sir, there is 7 people
Seven,
working.
7 people. So 7 people are able to get the profit from your app,
Yes, sir.
right? Now, if you want to tell me if you want to make it 70 people, you need an angel investor, right?
Definitely, sir.
Definitely, if you want to
Yes,
diversify your app through, or you have to increase the reach of your app to the different cities, right? Ultimately, it is a platform, and ultimately, you want to reach to different states so that you can increase the diversification of your app. So for that, you need an angel investor. In the same manner, Mukesh Ambani is also need investors. See, recently you have seen that Google has invested a huge amount in the Geo. You have heard that news?
yes, sir.
The largest investment made. Okay. So, see, it depends on the market. It depends on your product. It depends on the type of product you are offering to the people and the amount of the reach of your product. See, it is very important to understand that. If I talk about entrepreneur, thinking of becoming an entrepreneur and successfully taking that thing to heights is very difficult. It is a very challenging task. That's why if I tell you, I will share some facts in the upcoming classes that the 95% of the startups fails within 5 years. Do you know that? It's a
Yes, sir.
huge, huge number. See, we all know that now this is the time when we say make in India or digital India, that people are very interested and very keen of becoming an entrepreneurs. But see, Oyo, Uber, are you able to? I'm just giving you the common examples. Like those, like Oyo have taken the business model from the foreign company, but it is like when I talk about funding or innovation, there are very less innovations in these apps. Okay, so the problem which they have faced is innovation, that they are imitating the foreign products, and they are just converting and altering to the needs of the Indians. Okay, but there is no need when that parent company from where they have that idea, they copied and they enter in our market, then it is very difficult for the that those startup companies to compete with the giants. Are you able to understand? So
Yes.
first of all, entrepreneur should be innovative. Innovation means that you are offering something new. See, if I talk about Apple iPhones, why people invest a lot of money? First of all, yes, it is a symbol of prestige. In economics, we say that it's a snob effect, right? That you are showcasing that you are elite from the society. But if I talk about, they are offering innovation as well. Are you agreeing on that or not? Tell me, everyone, please. Are you able to understand? First of all, only Jyoti Mohin Saha is like actively participating in the class. Everyone, please. Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Sushmita, Tyasha, Pal, Yogesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, are you there? Are you able to understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Deepak Sharma, just tell me what we are discussing, please. Okay, if it is not that yeah, I'm just asking you. It is just that please try to initiate, please try to interact with the class so that we are able to learn more from each other. See, it is a very open class, a very good platform. Okay, you are sitting, everyone is like very comfortable at your place. Please try to understand, try to learn something from this class. Okay, Jyoti, Jyotirmoy, right?
Right.
So where we are talking about the investment part, right? See,
Right.
if we are talking about the entrepreneurs, those who are working in India, and they are just participating and they are want to create some new products. So first of all, they have to innovate something new, offer something new to the market. The same example which I'm giving about the Apple phones, right? They
Right.
are, every time they come in the market, they have something new in there. Now it is a huge company, but with the small steps we can achieve those things, right? That's why the startup in our economy is lacking that. First of all, now if I move further, like uh, further, that what is an entrepreneur, I just read few lines, just try to concentrate. That an entrepreneur is an individual who, rather than working as an employee, founds and runs a small business, assuming all the risk and rewards of the venture, right? He's the captain of the ship. He knows that what he's doing, what is good for for the company's employee. See, he's very vigilant. If I talk about second thing, that entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services, and businesses or procedures. Am I clear till now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Now, if I talk about the third thing, that is entrepreneur play a key role in any economy. These are the people who have the skills and initiative necessary to anticipate current and future needs and bring good new ideas to the market. Like that is a key thing. New idea, new innovation, something new to offer. See, when you go to a restaurant, you try different cuisines, right? Is anybody is there that every time you go to any place you order the same thing, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You order different products,
Yes.
you order different
Different.
cuisines. Why? Because you need something new. So first of all, a good entrepreneur is a good researcher. What I mean to say that a good researcher means he know what is the demand in the current market. For example, like if I talk about Johnson and Johnson company, or maybe other brands, like for example, I just give you a simple example of Kellogg's, right? Like what are the Indian habits of eating, like what are the main breakfast of Indians? Just can you just please tell me, anybody? Hello,
Sir, can you repeat the question?
can you just tell me what is our natural breakfast routine, what we naturally eat in our breakfast as Indians?
Tea
I
or
just help
coffee?
you out. Paratha,
आलू के
maybe poha,
पराठा, पोहा.
right? Now, the
Like
problem faced with the Kellogg's, the main problem which Kellogg's faced in our market, that they tried a lot of campaign to innovate or to make that urge of, like, to create the demand, that latent demand in the young adults, that please try our product. It's much healthier, it is much nutrition, it is lighter, है ना? But they are initially they are facing a lot of trouble. Then they read the market, then they researched in the market, then they understood that To break the Indian market, we should target children. Then they introduced chocos in Indian market. See, right now we all know that the small children are not very much fond of parathas or poha. They don't eat. But when you talk about chocolate, they will going to immediately become fond of that. So they introduce chocos in the market, and they have successfully entered in the market. Then adults are also trying that. Then they find it more tastier. I'm just saying that it is healthier choice, or that is a other point of discussion. But I'm just telling how an entrepreneur, how a company enter in a market. So first of all, you should know, you should have a proper market research to enter in a market. Am I clear? Is it not boring? Please tell me, everyone. Please,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
again, is
Yes,
it?
sir.
Are you able to understand what I'm trying to make you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I move further, see, I just read out some risks involved to become an entrepreneur. Okay. So first risk is potential business failure. Am I clear? Potential business failure. Being fully responsible means the success or failure of your business rests on you. As I already said that you are the captain of the ship. Jyotirmoy, see, you are the innovator of your app, and seven people are just following your orders. If you make a mistake, then directly they will get affected. Am I clear? That is a very
Yes.
crucial thing. See, the second point is unexpected obstacles. Problems can happen that you don't expect. Up now, nobody has see. A lot of people have started their restaurants recently. See, in the month of January, they thought that the market is really glorifying. Okay, lot of there is a very potential. Indian people are really going out and having their lunch, breakfast, dinner. Okay, but nobody expected the pandemic. In the same manner, if few years back in 2014, if I talk about, nobody expected demonetization. These are the unexpected obstacles which you have to you have to keep in your mind before starting your venture. We have proper allocation of resources. What you will do when it is a time of crisis, how you handle your business. You should know that before you start a business, before you start a new venture. Third point is financial insecurity. Many new business don't make much money in the beginning, so you may not always be able to pay yourself. Am I clear? It's a very important thing. Jyotirmoy, see,
Yes,
initially when
sir.
you started your app, are you able to generate the income immediately, or it will take took some time?
Definitely, sir. It took some time to like examine how much it will like gain that traction.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. Uh, See, Jyotirmoy, why I'm addressing Jyotirmoy, because he has the real time experience that after starting to become an entrepreneur, there is a very difficult task to sustain it. See, anybody can start a journey, but to end up on the destination, you have lot of obstacles, you have lot of challenges to face. So you have to keep that in mind. So financial insecurity is the biggest insecurity when I talk about running a business. Obviously, if I want to collaborate with Jyotir Mohe in his initiative, then obviously I will have that. I want that on first of every month I have a salary in my account, so that I'll be motivated, right? Monetary benefit is must. If I talk about long hours and hard work, yes, it is also a very important thing. That is, it's not unusual for entrepreneurs to work a lot of extra hours to make their business successful. This is especially true during the initial startup process. Initially you have to put a lot of efforts. Sometimes you feel demotivated that, yeah, is it working or not, am I doing the right thing? But if you have if you have innovated a real product that you think that it will address the market's need in future, then I think your long hours and hard work will pay you sooner. See, are you agree with me, Jyotirmoy? Have you
Yes, sir.
experienced anything
Yes, sir.
which I'm saying? Are you Have you experienced the long hours? the difficult times, the small.
Definitely, sir. Yes, I faced many times that they are
But
like.
haven't stopped. That shows that the dedication is must in your attitude. Okay. Should I move further, or do you have any questions regarding till this point? Please free. Everyone is please free. Feel free to ask any question regarding. Please, Tiasha Pal, Yogesh Solanki, Deepak Sharma, Mitakshi Garg. Hello. I'm
हाँ
on.
सर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ठीक है, आगे चलें. Okay.
यस सर.
Huh. Okay. If I talk about now, what are the characteristics of a successful entrepreneur? See, self-assessment. If I talk about self-assessment, evaluating your strengths and weaknesses is an important part of becoming an entrepreneur. See, I just give you a very normal example that companies do SWOT analysis, SWOT, SWOT analysis. Okay, they see that strength, weaknesses, opportunities, threat. It is a box where companies see that what are the weaknesses, strength, and what are the opportunity and threat they will face in future. I just give you a simple example. Everyone who has seen or heard about the Kotak camera, have you heard about that Kotak camera which comes with that reel?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Have you heard it? No, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
now, in this present scenario, have you seen the product coming from that company?
No.
What are the reasons of the company of failure of that company? The major reason of that company is they didn't accepted the change, the
Change.
opportunity, the digital photography. So they didn't change their business model according to the changing scenario of the environment. So this affected their business and they had to take the exit from the market. In the same manner, I can give you hundred of examples which have faced the same thing. LML scooter. If you heard of that, please Google it. You will find it on internet. Those who are not aware, there is a scooter brand very famous in early 90s. Every home has one. If they prefer a scooter, they will buy that scooter. But what happened? They didn't change according to the situation. They don't have the proper services which customer wants. Ultimately, they have to take exit from the market. So it is very important to learn how the market is changing and see the opportunity. If you don't address the opportunities on time, it will become a threat to your company. Very important. And you know that if you are weak in certain department, that you have to work on that. For example, like you have a very good product, Jyotirmoy, but maybe you are lacking in the human resource department. Then you have to work on that. That is a very important thing.
Right.
So this is how you're going to proceed and can have a good output. If you see all consider all these steps, then you will find that your output will increase gradually. See, if I just characteristic of successful entrepreneurs, I'll just read it out. The what will be the personal characteristics? If a layman concept, if you want to understand that what is the characteristic of a successful entrepreneur, then there are some personal characteristics. That is courage, creativity, curiosity, determination, discipline, empathy. Everyone know what is empathy means? That putting your leg in other shoes and understand that what are the problems they are facing rather than yelling on them or rather just stating the problem. You should understand you just address the solution as well. Enthusiasm, flexibility, honesty, patience, responsibility. These all are the few personal characteristics which a good entrepreneur or successful entrepreneur have. And if I talk about the skills, a skill is an ability that's learned through training and practice. Business skills, communication. First of all, very important. You should be very good in communication skills. Like for example, you have developed an app, Chitarmoy. Now, when you want to expand it, you should be very much good in communication so that you can address the right venture capitalists which you are targeting. They should understand your your idea of innovation. If they are not convinced, then I think the efforts will be not fruitful, right?
Right, sir.
uh, if I talk about computer skills, yes, that is not an that is obvious. nowadays we should all know that computer skills are must. Decision making and problem solving skills, mathematical skills, organizational skills, and personal and people skills. That is how you deal with the peoples around you. Are they happy or not? If they are happy, then they will work along with you. See, these are the few points. These are the introduction of you. See, these are the things which I want to discuss before we start, or we increase our knowledge in this subject. So today I think you want anything from this class, then we will discuss further. Tell me any questions, anything from the market which you observe, which you have any problems, you think that I want to become an entrepreneur, but these are the problems which I'm facing. So please feel free to share. Anybody, say hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, please ask me any question, or I'll just move further. See, the next thing which we want to study, that is compelling reason why do we need entrepreneurs. First, अब you tell me why we need entrepreneurs. I just stating, you are not asking the question, then I have to. Just please tell me why Indian economy or any economy need entrepreneurs. Please
सर
answer.
लाइक एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है ना अपने एम्प्लॉयज का ज्यादा तक ध्यान रखते हैं क्योंकि वो खुद लाइक या बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो जॉब छोड़ के एंटरप्रेन्योर लाइक फ्लिपकार्ट के ऑनर्स हम ले सकते हैं.
Yes, very good.
उन्होंने पहले अमेजोन में वो जॉब करते थे लाइक एज ओके. उन्होंने खुद का ऐप स्टार्ट किया तो उनको ये पता होता है कि एम्प्लॉयज के साथ कैसे अच्छे से डील करना है क्योंकि वो इस चीज से मतलब निकल चुके होते हैं तो लाइक दे कैन फील दैट. तो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो होते हैं वो अच्छे से अपने एम्प्लॉयज को बहुत अच्छा ट्रीट करते हैं और
Right,
ऊपर से वो रिसोर्सेज वो ऑलरेडी इतने नॉलेजेबल होते हैं कि वो रिसोर्सेज को भी अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करते हैं और वो उन
right,
लोगों को हायर करते हैं जो लाइक क्वालिफाइड ना हो पर उनमें टैलेंट हो क्योंकि
right,
वो खुद जानते हैं कि टैलेंट की वैल्यू होती है. तो वो ये नहीं देखते कि आपके पास कितना है या कितने मार्क्स आपने ऑब्टेन किए हैं लाइक वो एक रियल टैलेंट को लेते हैं अपने साथ वर्क करने के लिए.
okay, okay,
अच्छा.
okay. That's a good point which you have addressed. Now, the point is, first of all, I forgot to ask that you all are comfortable in English, or should I speak in Hindi or a mix of both? Please feel free to say. Am I? Are you able to understand all the things which I have said? मतलब आपको
यस
भी
सर.
बात समझ में आ रही है सबको,
सर
है ना? कोई दिक्कत हो तो प्लीज टेल मी. दैट लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ बैरियर. It should be a path of communication. Okay. Feel free. If you think that Hindi should be preferred, then मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा, और English should be preferred, then I'll talk in English. I'm comfortable in both the languages. Okay. Feel free anytime. Okay. It is important that you understand the things. हाँ, Sushmita Roshan has written in the chat that, sir, please prefer books and also share the links of the books. Definitely, beta. At the end of this session, I'll just forward you the books and as well as the PPTs, some PPTs as well as the links through which you can learn something, and we can discuss it tomorrow. Okay, Sushmita. Sushmita is there, or she left. Sushmita Roshan, right? Mm, okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, Sushmita. So I just asking that why we need entrepreneurs. See, you have saying Mitakshi Garg has said that yes, they know how to deal with the people, how they will more interested in your skills rather than your marks. But ultimately, why economy needs you? It is that yes, entrepreneurs will help the individuals. They will help, but why economy needs the entrepreneurs? See, there is a structure in the economy where एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है इकोनॉमी का, वहाँ पे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इकोनॉमी के लिए, इंडिया के लिए क्यों मोदी जी या नरेंद्र अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी, व्हाई ही इज एड्रेसिंग दैट व्हाई एंटरप्रेन्योर इज मच मोर रिक्वायर्ड. Anybody, or should I continue? Should I answer you? Okay, I'll just answer. 90%, see, 90% of world's jobs are created by entrepreneurs. Do you know that? See, if the entrepreneurs are there, they can create job. That is the major important benefit of entrepreneurs in your economy. If there are a lot of entrepreneurs, you can get more jobs. Okay, government will create a job until a limited point of time, but new entrepreneurs are required so that economy can flourish. Obviously, if you see, the business is the best way of mobilization of resources from one person to another. In economics, we also study that. See, we have to study the economy so that we can become a good entrepreneur, right? That's what I'm saying. This market research is very important. Problem solvers, they solve the problems. They, if see, for example, I just given the previously that Urban Clap has seen a problem that a lot of people are hesitating for a haircut to do, but they address that, they researched the market, they see that this is a potential market to target on, then they just immediately introduced a this policy that they can provide a doorstep thing. Okay. Okay, Yogesh Solanki, I just considered your thing. हम हिंदी में थोड़ा सा बात करेंगे. मैं बेटा हम ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि देखिए कि एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की ज़रूरत क्या है इकोनॉमी के लिए, हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था में एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की क्या ज़रूरत है, हम क्यों चाहते हैं एंटरप्रेन्योर इतना बढ़े, हम क्यों चाहते हैं ज्योतिर्मोही साहा जैसे लोग और इनोवेट करें या और कुछ अपना इनोवेशन लाएं या और कुछ अच्छा इनोवेट करें, बिकॉज जिससे कि इकोनॉमी में एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़े, रोजगार बढ़े, it will increase the employment. See, which I repeat the sentence which I have told you that mobilization of resources, entrepreneurs know how to mobilize the resources. You need the product. See, you need a car. Now there is only a raw material is available. That is a steel. Now what I can't ride on a steel, right? I just can't put the vehicles. मैं उसके अंदर पहिए लगाकर और मैं स्टील पे बैठ के नहीं जा सकता हूँ ना. हमें क्या चाहिए, कार चाहिए, एक फाइनल प्रोडक्ट चाहिए. तो एंटरप्रेन्योर क्या करता है, उसको एड्रेस करता है. जैसे टाटा मोटर्स, दे मैन्युफैक्चर कार्स, राइट? यू डोंट नो what is the process of making a car, but you know that from one place to another I need a vehicle. मुझे ज़रूरत है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए, मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि मेरे पास एक गाड़ी होनी चाहिए so that I can travel, राइट? तो हमें क्या चाहिए, एंड प्रोडक्ट. और वो कौन देता है, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, बिजनेसमैन. ठीक है. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट सोर्सेज ऑफ न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स एंड इनोवेशन. सोर्सेज ऑफ न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स एंड इनोवेशन का मतलब है एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बताता है कि हमारा नया इनोवेशन, ये नया इनोवेशन लाता है, न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स लाता है. जैसे अगर बात करूं कि गाड़ियों के अंदर रिसर्च कितना बड़ा है. जैसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव सीन दैट गाड़ियों में पावर स्टीयरिंग नहीं आता था. एवरीबॉडी इज एक्वेंटेड विद पावर स्टीयरिंग. योगेश बेटा आपको पता है ना, पावर स्टीयरिंग नहीं आता था पहले. हाँ, okay. You can speak in the class. Don't be shy. Just please speak in the class so that we can make it more interactive. Because every time I don't to read the comments and just answer. Please, you were free to speak in the class. ठीक है. पहले पावर स्टीयरिंग नहीं आता था. Then they have a research and then they have invented that yeah, people are facing the problem. उनको दिक्कत आ रही है लोगों को, तो उन्होंने पावर स्टीयरिंग इन्वेंट किया. देन दे हैव अ सेफ्टी इशू कि भाई सेफ्टी होनी चाहिए. देन दे इन्वेंटेड एयर बैग्स. दिस इज हाउ द मार्केट ग्रोस. दिस इज हाउ, ऐसे ऐसे ही मार्केट ग्रो होता है. हमारी नीड्स के अकॉर्डिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स क्या करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करते हैं, तभी तो वो प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं. अगर आप मुझे बताइए कि द शर्ट प्रेजेंटली, प्लीज सी योर शर्ट और द क्लोथ्स यू आर वेयरिंग, जो आपने कपड़े पहन रखे हैं, क्या अब वो सेम कपड़े जाके दोबारा खरीदोगे? नहीं ना. आपको क्या चाहिए, समथिंग न्यू. एवरी टाइम कस्टमर न्यू वांट समथिंग न्यू इन देयर लाइवलीहुड. हम बोर हो जाते हैं, हमें कुछ इनोवेशन चाहिए, हमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम फेस होती है. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि सबसे मोस्ट डायनेमिक चीज क्या है, मोबाइल फोन्स. दे आर इनोवेटिंग एट अ वेरी फास्ट पेस. कभी कोई कैमरा आ जाता है, कभी कुछ आ जाता है. दे आर रिसर्चिंग पीपल. पहले क्या हो रहा था कि हमें ये चाहिए था कि ऐसा फोन हो जो कैमरा अच्छा खींचे. पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट आर द रिक्वायरमेंट, कि कम्युनिकेशन हो जाए, बस एक जगह से दूसरी जगह कम्युनिकेशन हो जाए घर बैठे. But now people have invented. Now it is the biggest source of knowledge which you are having in your hand. You can access the world. आप किसी भी दुनिया में किसी भी कोने में जाके किसी भी आदमी से बात कर सकते हो through this device. This is the beauty of innovation. So um, I just uh, read the last line of this thing. That is, it is not the entrepreneurs, it is the entrepreneurs, not the central bank that keeps the economy moving. मतलब entrepreneurs ही हैं जो इकोनॉमी को मूव करते हैं further. If you study the economy of Switzerland, there are a lot of billionaires. There are a lot of billionaires because they are addressing the entrepreneurs. So uh, I just concluded. I think it is a much heavy for the first day. If you think I can move further, please feel free. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो मैं यहाँ रुक जाऊँगा. Please share your opinions, share your views regarding. Please, anybody, should I move or should I stop here? Anybody? Deepak Sharma, Jagriti Batra, Soma, Malik. Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Acha, we can continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. See, the in in the upcoming classes, our routine will be the. Acha, have you do you have the syllabus of the respective entrepreneur subject?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I'll just share it with you. Acha, do you have a common group? I guess Rahul sir has added me on the group. In the group, and just I'll share the syllabus.
Yes, sir. I have added you in that group. You can share the syllabus over there. And
Okay, okay,
we are supposed to end the class at 10:15, which is already there. So, sir, you can wrap up.
okay, okay. I'll just okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Please, I hope that you have learned from this class something new, something efficient, and I'll think that this upcoming classes will increase your knowledge as well as my knowledge. We will share each other's knowledge and will increase the output of the class. Okay, everyone, have a nice day.